Welcome to this charming patio-style home. 129 Heron Oaks in Whistler's Cove, Rockport, Texas. A fresh coastal blue front doors, and inside all rooms recently painted neutral color. Up front, a delightful den ideal for home office, music space, or art room, or extra guests. Living dining room with lots of windows bringing the outdoor in. Open to the kitchen with the laundry storage room for convenience. Neutral tile floors throughout the living spaces and bathrooms. As you go outside is this nice covered patio garden to barbecue, have friends over, and has access to the Tule Creek Trails and Rockport community pool. The guest bedroom has its own bathroom, so your guest has privacy. The main bedroom has a full-size suite and closets with lots of space, a shower tub, and linen closet. Whistler's Cove is a community built by Hogan Homes and is convenient to everything in Rockport. Minutes from the beach, arts district, restaurants, shopping, parks, and lots to offer. Welcome home. Welcome to Rockport, Texas. This is Neli Spurrell with Spears & Co.